Hey everyone! Welcome to our Mail Merge Masterclass. Today, we're going to demystify Mail Merge and show you how to personalize your documents like a pro.
That's right, Roy. Maymerge is a game changer for anyone who needs to send out a personalized letter, email, or label it in bulk. That's all about efficiency and accuracy.
Exactly. Think of it as your secret weapon for saving time and making great impression.
First is open Microsoft Word. Then go to Mailings tab. You can choose any documents like letters or invitation. So in Mailings tab, you can click Select Recipients, then you can choose either type a new list or use a existing list. Then you can make columns like name, address, email address, and contact number, and type details of each person. After linking the list, type your letter or document in Word to make it personalized. Insert field from your list, for example, instead of typing name, put name so that Word will change it automatically for every person. Before finishing, click Preview Results to check if the information is correct. Then finally, click Finish and Merge. You can either print the letters right away or make a new file with all the personalized documents. This way, one letter becomes many different letters for different people.